Assalamu alaikum dear students. Students, today we are going to see the notes of combustion and flame. So dear students, let us start with the notes. Dear students, this is the first thing which you can copy. We have used different kinds of the fuels for the various purpose at home, in industry and for running automobiles. These fuels are cow dung, wood, coal, charcoal, petrol, diesel, compressed natural gas, etc. So dear students, first of all you can write this particular that this is the intro of your chapter. Okay, then what you have to do, you have to write the definition for the combustion. It is a chemical reaction in which heat is released by a material which it reacts when it reacts with oxygen. So that is your definition for your combustion. Okay, so this you can first of all write it down, and dear students, see to it. Then you can go for writing the fuels. Fuels is a combustible substance. Fuels or a combustible substance. Any material that undergoes combustion is called the combustible substance. It is also called as a fuels. Some example of the fuels are petrol, diesel, etc. The fuels may be solid, liquid or gas state. Sometimes light is also given off during combustion, either as a flame or as a glow. Next, dear student, you can write the ignition temperature. It is a minimum temperature at which any material catches fire. If the temperature of the combustible substance is lower than the ignition temperature, then the substance will not burn. Example, cooking oil catches fire when a frying pan is kept for a long time on the burning stove. Okay, this is the first example. Second example, you can write kerosene oil and wood do not catch fire on their own at room temperature, but if kerosene oil is heated a little, it will catch fire. But if a wood is heated a little, it will still not catch a fire. Inflammable substances, dear students, I have explained you this one. Those material which have a low ignition temperature and catch fire easily are termed as inflammable substances. Examples included petrol, LPG, etc. Matchstick. Dear student, here you can go for writing the little bit description about the matchstick that is given over here. Since ages, matchsticks are in use. Long ago, Egyptians used small pieces of the pine wood dipped in the sulfur as a match. These days, matchsticks are lot safer. Sulfur, dear students, sulfur was a little bit problematic for the use, so now we are using the safe matchstick. Modern matchsticks are made up of with a mixture of antimony trisulfide and potassium chlorate with some glue and starch dipped on the head of the match. The rubbing surface has a powdered glass and some red phosphorus. On striking match against rough surface, red phosphorus gets converted into the white phosphorus and it reacts with the potassium chlorate to ignite antimony trisulfide, and so the combustion takes place. Things necessary for the combustion to take place, dear students. Number 1, fuel, or you can say combustible substance. Number 2, presence of the oxygen, or you can say air. Temperature above the ignition temperature. Okay, dear students, herein you are able to see measures to control the fire. So number 1, dear student, you can write down about the fire brigade station. How do we control the fire? In the case of the fire brigades will extinguish the fire by sprinkling the water on the affected areas. The water will bring down the temperature below its ignition temperature. As a result, fire will stop spreading. Water vapors also surround the combustible material, helping in cutting off the supply of air. So the fire is extinguished. Okay. Next, we are also using fire extinguisher, dear students. So fire extinguisher, water is a common fire extinguisher, but it works only when the things like wood, paper, etc. However, in the case fire is caught on the electrical things. Then water, being the good conductor, will destroy those equipments. Even water is not good in the case of the fire due to the oil, petrol, etc. For such cases, carbon dioxide is the best fire extinguisher. This extinguisher cut off the supply of air and thus bring down the temperature below the ignition temperature. Okay, as a result, the fire gets extinguished. Moreover, it usually do not damage the electrical equipment. Use of the blanket. If a person catches the fire, then the blanket can be used to extinguish the fire. Okay, so that can be done. Then dear students, we talk about the forest fire. So in summer season, when temperature rises too high, then the region having the dry grasses will catch the fire. This fire spreads rapidly from grasses to trees and eventually entire forest is on fire, and it is difficult to manage such fire. Then dear students, we are writing about the different types of the combustion. So dear students, let me tell you, when you are writing about the different types of the combustion, first of all, rapid combustion. In this type of combustion, the substances burns rapidly and yield the light and heat. Okay, example is given over here. Bring a burning matchstick or a gas lighter near a gas stove in the kitchen. Turn on the knob of the gas stove. We find that the gas stove burns rapidly and produces heat and light. So dear student, this is about the rapid combustion. Okay, then you can write down about the spontaneous combustion. In this type of combustion, substance bursts out into flames suddenly without any known reason. हम कुछ नहीं करते हैं, substance अपने आप जल जाता है, and we call it as a spontaneous. Okay, so example में लिख सकते हो, many disastrous fuels in the coal mines results due to this kind of the combustion. The heat rays coming from the sun or lightning strikes might be responsible for this kind of the combustion. Let me tell you one thing clear over here, dear students. आप सोडियम वाला एग्जाम्पल भी लिख सकते हैं, आप फॉस्फोरस वाला एग्जाम्पल भी यहाँ पर लिख सकते हैं. No issues. You can write that particular over here. That sodium when kept in the open space catches the fire, that is spontaneous combustion. Similarly, phosphorus, non-metal, when it is kept over there in the open space, it also catches the fire. Okay, this was about the second type of the combustion, which is the spontaneous one. Number 3, explosion. In this type of the combustion, all of a sudden reaction result into heat, light and sound. Moreover, large quantity of the gas also gets released. So dear student, this is what you have to write down in the types of the combustion. Next, you can also accompany over here with example. When a firecracker is ignited, a sudden reaction takes place with the evolution of heat, light and sound with a large amount of gas. So dear student, this is about your explosion. Then we write about the flame, the next part of the chapter, very important part. Okay, when something is burnt, a hot luminous gas emerges out of the substance. This gas is called a flame. आप ये लिख सकते हैं. Okay, then you are able to see that you can also write down, flames are a result of the substance which vaporizes on burning. Example includes kerosene oil, wax, which forms flames on burning. Dear students, as I told you, जिस मटेरियल में वेपराइजिंग सब्सटेंस होगा वही सिर्फ फ्लेम देगा. ठीक है, जैसे कि कोल में वेपराइजिंग मटेरियल नहीं होता है, इसलिए वो फ्लेम नहीं देगा. इज इट क्लियर? सो दिस इज व्हाट यू कैन राइट. फ्लेम स्ट्रक्चर, very important. Okay, when the flames are observed carefully, one notice different layers of the flame as shown in the figure diagram. So dear student, here you are able to see, you are having also, let me tell you, instead of making this diagram, you can make the diagram which is given in your textbook. आप अपनी टेक्स्ट बुक वाला डायग्राम ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. जस्ट रिमेंबर प्रॉपर लेबलिंग. आउटर मोस्ट जोन, middle zone, innermost zone. Also try to color it. Outermost zone blue in color, middle zone yellow in color, and innermost zone black in color. Also label it with the capacity of heat. ठीक है. Innermost zone least hot, middle moderate zone, or you can say middle zone moderately hot, and the outermost zone is hottest zone of the candle flame. आप ये लिख सकते हैं. ओके. आउटर मोस्ट जोन. फिर डियर स्टूडेंट नीचे आपको ये लिखना है आउटर मोस्ट जोन. इट इज़ अ ब्लू इन कलर एंड इट इज़ अ हॉटेस्ट अमॉन्ग ऑल द जोन. इन दिस पोर्शन कंप्लीट कंबशन टेक्स प्लेस. मिडल जोन, इट इज़ अ येलो इन कलर एंड इज सम वॉट हॉट. इन दिस पोर्शन पार्शियल कंबशन टेक्स प्लेस. ओके, सॉरी. And in the innermost zone, it is black in color and the coolest zone among all the zones. This is what you can write down. Then dear students, a very important topic, that is a fuel. The substance that undergoes the combustion is called a fuel, as a fuel. Example is wood, charcoal, petrol, kerosene, etc. Characteristic of good fuel. कौन सा fuel good होता है? It should be easy. It should be easily available. It should be cheap. It should generate large amount of heat. It should not leave any unwanted matter after combustion. ठीक है. Then we say ideal fuel. The fuel which satisfy all the characteristics of a good fuel is termed as an ideal fuel. But dear students, second point says probably there is no such fuel present. ठीक है. Then we write about the fuel efficiency. The quantity of the heat generated on combustion of 1 kg of fuel is called its calorific value. Its unit is kg per kg, kilojoule per kilogram. Okay, then you have to make this table, dear student. You have to label it as calorific value of different fuels, and you have to write down the particular table given over here. Okay, this is showing the kg per kg values. कि आपका जो different fuels है, वो डिफरेंट फ्यूल्स की कौन कौन सी वैल्यूज़ गिवन है. डियर स्टूडेंट, दिस टेबल यू हैव टू मेक इनटू योर दिस नोट्स विच यू आर गोइंग टू राइट डाउन. ठीक है. देन व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू राइट डाउन, वी आर गोइंग टू राइट डाउन अबाउट द हार्मफुल इफेक्ट ऑफ बर्निंग फ्यूल्स. दिस इज द लास्ट टॉपिक ओवर हियर for your notes also and for your chapter also. The increasing fuel consumption has harmful effect on the environment. Number 1, various air pollutants like unburned carbon particles released due to the partial burning of the carbon fuels causes many respiratory diseases. You can write the example as asthma. Okay, तो ये आपका first point हो गया. Second point, द पार्शियल. डियर स्टूडेंट, पार्शियल बर्निंग का मतलब होता है इनकम्प्लीट बर्निंग. आपका जब भी कोई मटेरियल कम्प्लीटली बर्न नहीं होता है, वी कॉल इट एज अ इनकम्प्लीटली बर्न. द पार्शियल बर्निंग ऑफ सम फ्यूल्स रिलीजेस कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड विच इज़ अ पॉइजनस गैस, एंड दिस गैस कैन किल अ पर्सन if left in a room filled with this gas. Okay, so you can remember this very important point, that the person may lead to death if the person is in the closed room where the carbon monoxide gas has been released. Now dear students, burning effect, harmful effect of the burning, that is one more point, that is a global warming. Dear student, global warming हम already पढ़ चुके हैं. You all are aware about the global warming. Combustion of most fuels that increase the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere that has led to increase in the average temperature on the earth. जब टेम्परेचर बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है, and that is because of the carbon dioxide. तो dear student, हमने क्या पढ़ा था? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कहाँ से रिलीज होता है? With the burning of the fuels. हम जितने भी fuels यूज़ करते हैं, all those are releasing carbon dioxide. Is it clear? And because of that, we can say global warming is increasing. Dear student, the last point, that is acid rain. Okay, due to the burning of the coal and diesel, chemicals like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide are released into the air. The pollutants reacts with the water vapor present in the air and forms the sulfuric acid and nitric acid. When it rains, the acids are also present. Such kind of the rain is called acid rain. It is very harmful for the crops, buildings and soil. So dear student, you are able to see the picture diagram over here. If possible, try to draw it. Okay. Prevention of the acid rain. How can we prevent the acid rain? The use of the diesel and petrol as a fuel in automobile is being replaced by CNG. हम CNG use करके pollution को रोक सकते हैं, कम कर सकते हैं. Okay, because CNG produces the harmful products in the very small amount. Last point is CNG is a cleaner fuel. So dear student, here your all the notes are over. यहाँ पर आपके चैप्टर की combustion and flame की notes ख़त्म हो रही है. I hope you will write it very properly into your class workbook. Exercise we have already done. So dear student, please prepare it for your exam. So it is very, very important. Still, if you are facing any difficulties, any doubts, please let me know. We will clarify your doubts as soon as possible.